That's a big one.
Drag. With another episode of Grayson Outdoors. Going to do a little creek fishing tonight. We've had some rain. Just got done trimming some trees, topping some trees. Stay tuned, it might get good. Oil center on the back side where two creeks meet, right back in here. There's some down trees and some rock ledges. Hoping to catch some of these blues coming off the nest, maybe get another big male. This evening we're gonna come down here, we're gonna fish some liver, go fish some night crawlers, see if we can't get on some of these blue cats coming off the nest. Maybe catch a big fish. That's a fish. It's a good fish. Way into him.
Oh, biggin', son. Biggin', I'm recording. Get out of his way. Bubby's got him a biggin' on. Biggin'.
Stand up and fight him, son.
No, sit down and fight him. Oh, he came off. Is he a biggin'? Probably a big Goliath grouper. Jump in, Hayden. He's gonna break off. Dang, sir. Big blue.
Big channel.
No, that's big blue right there. What's that, crappie?
Yeah. I can grab my phone right. Oh yeah, boy, that right here. Big large mouth. No, that's a catfish. That's good eating right there. You wanna keep him?
Yeah.
Good little channel cat. 30 blues, I guess.
You want?
Look, that spider trying to get me. Go, that's what a spider.
You want to say something, Lumberjack, before you release him?
I'm gonna say God's good. Be out here with my friends and family, doing what I love on Grayson Outdoors. Devin got one. Thank you, Lord. Let's turn him loose.
With it. Let him run with it. Let him run with it. Hayden just got hit hard, boys. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen around the world. The man himself just got hit hard. He's running with it too. He's running with it. He's running with it.
Reel up a little bit. Hold up. I gotta get the drag set.
I'm in position to get the hook set of your life right now. On the ground.
He's just playing with it right now. Let him run with it one more time. I ain't seen more excitement than this in 20 years.
You got anything to say, Mr. Catfishman?
Like they all say, can't catch them all.
Oh, sir!
Big fish.
I missed it.
Big fish.
Big one?
Big fish.
No, it's not. It's probably like a pound.
I know how.
He's running.
Oh, no.
No, he's a good fish.
No.
Yes, he's a good fish.
Is he? Oh, not my phone ago.
Where's your phone? I video. Got it right here. Turn on the white light. I hate this guy. He sent it to you. Turn on the white light. Real quick. I told you.
Where'd he go?
Told you he was a big fish. Why did you set your drag? I seen where he took off right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna catch him.
God. He popped that line like he was nothing.
That's probably an 80 pounder.
At least 64.
He come up right here. He had him belly up right here.
Oh, do I got one?
No, but I'm definitely out chicken.
They're biting tonight, boys and girls.
Oh, Lumberjack, you flip on that line.
That's a big one. That is a monster.
He's running for banking.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay, buddy. He popped it. Gosh, it's 2 in a row, boys.
That was a stud,
That
boys.
was a stud, dude.
That was a giant.
Yeah. No, I think he just spit it out.
That was a giant. No, he broke off.
Broke it.
Straight snapped it.
See, Hayden, that's whenever
Might throw me another hook.
yours broke off, that's why I'm thinking that you was
all
fried.
breaking off like that? I don't understand that. Alright, so as you can see, we caught 1 and lost 2. So not a bad night at the creek. The fish was breaking off on 20-pound test lines, so I don't know, them boys got a lot to learn. But this was a fish caught in the video. This is a fishing video. Like, click, subscribe, comment below.